Hello everyone, in today's class we are going to see how to create a 3D card using PhotoGrid app. The final output of this card will be like a video. We can create this card and share with the special people. Today I am going to share this 3D card with my brother and wish him a happy birthday. So without further delay, let's create a 3D card and share it. Let's start. Open PhotoGrid app. Go to More Tools option and select 3D card. There we will be getting lots of 3D card template. We can download it. If you already downloaded, it will be showing like create. So select the 3D card you need and press create option. Now let's select the images we need. That's it. We got the birthday card video. Simple and easy. You can type anything you need to your loved ones. Let me type happy birthday, Abishek. This is how your video looks. If you are done, just save it. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.